What's going on, y'all? Habdi here. In this episode, we're going to be taking our first look at this engine. I picked it up last August. It's been almost a year now. And when I picked it up, I pretty much just shoehorned it into the corner and I haven't looked at it since. I saw it ran before it was pulled, but I have no idea what shape this engine's in. So this episode is primarily going to be about pulling it out, getting it on the stand, and getting some of this electrical off. I don't know that I'm going to get into any disassembly in this video. I might take some accessories off, but my main goal here is to start cleaning it and getting it ready for paint. Hey guys, I'm actually going to cut the video short here. I have a lot more footage to realize going into tearing down this engine, so I don't want to make these videos too long. So in this video, to summarize, we got our first look at the engine. We pulled it out, we got it separated from the transmission, and I showed you all how I mounted on the stand and how I measured the bolts out and stuff. I think that's a good start. The next episode, I take all the accessories, everything off. Right now it's just the block and the heads with some valve covers on it, and I'm about to pressure wash it. So y'all tune into the next video to see me actually tear it down and get it cleaned up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please engage with them, help me grow, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.